Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Eco-friendly cars made from recycled materials. Cars are getting greener. Manufacturers use sustainable materials to reduce waste. This helps the environment and saves resources. Many car buyers now want eco-friendly vehicles. They're looking for cars made from recycled materials. What makes these cars so appealing? Sustainable materials are a key part of this trend. They reduce pollution and help conserve natural resources. Eco-friendly cars are in high demand now. Benefits of sustainable materials in car manufacturing. When we think about sustainable cars, we often focus on their fuel efficiency and emissions. But what about the materials used to build them? Using recycled and sustainable materials in car manufacturing has a significant impact on the environment. For instance, imagine a car made from recycled plastic, aluminum, and steel. It's like giving old materials a new life. By using these materials, car manufacturers can reduce waste and minimize their carbon footprint. Reduced carbon footprint. Using recycled materials can greatly decrease greenhouse gas emissions during production. For example, producing new steel from recycled steel uses 60% less energy than making it from raw materials. This reduction in energy consumption leads to lower emissions, which is a big step towards a cleaner environment. So, how does it work? When manufacturers use recycled materials, they need less energy to process and produce them. This means fewer emissions from factories and a reduced carbon footprint. Can you imagine a future where most cars are made from recycled materials, and the air is cleaner as a result? Conservation of natural resources. The impact of sustainable materials on reducing waste and conserving natural resources is substantial. When car manufacturers use recycled materials, they reduce the need for raw materials like wood, water, and minerals. This helps conserve natural resources and reduces waste in landfills. Let's look at some examples. Recycling aluminum uses 95% less energy than producing new aluminum. Recycling steel saves 60% of the energy needed to produce new steel. Using recycled plastic reduces the amount of plastic waste in oceans and landfills. By choosing sustainable materials, car manufacturers can help protect the environment and ensure that natural resources are available for future generations. What if we could make all cars from recycled materials? Would that make a significant difference in reducing waste? Types of sustainable materials used in car manufacturing. As car manufacturers continue to shift towards eco-friendly production, they're exploring various sustainable materials to reduce waste and minimize environmental impact. So, what exactly are these materials, and how are they being used in car manufacturing? Let's take a closer look. Recycled plastics. Recycled plastics are becoming increasingly popular in car manufacturing. For instance, many car parts, such as bumper covers, dashboards, and door panels, can be made from recycled plastics. These parts are not only eco-friendly but also provide the same quality and durability as traditional materials. Some car manufacturers are even using recycled plastic to create car seats, carpets, and other interior components. What if all car parts could be made from recycled plastics? Would that significantly reduce plastic waste in our oceans and landfills? Bioplastics. Bioplastics, made from renewable biomass sources like cornstarch or sugarcane, offer a promising alternative to traditional plastics. They can be used to produce car parts like trim, air ducts, and other interior components. However, bioplastics also have some limitations. They can be more expensive to produce than traditional plastics, and their durability is still being tested. Despite these challenges, bioplastics have the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on non-renewable resources. Can bioplastics become a game changer in the car manufacturing industry, or do they still have a long way to go? Natural fibers. Natural fibers like hemp, flax, and sisal are being used in car interiors and exteriors to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. These fibers can be used to create car parts like door panels, seatbacks, and trunk lids. Natural fibers are not only eco-friendly but also provide excellent insulation and sound absorption. Some car manufacturers are even using natural fibers to create biocomposites. A combination of natural fibers and bioplastics. What benefits do natural fibers offer in car manufacturing, and how can they contribute to a more sustainable future? Cars made from sustainable materials. As we explore the world of eco-friendly cars, it's clear that sustainable materials play a significant role in reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. But what about the cars themselves? Are there vehicles that showcase the use of sustainable materials in their design and production? Yes, many car manufacturers are now using eco-friendly materials to build their cars. So, let's take a closer look at some examples. Electric and hybrid vehicles. Electric and hybrid cars are becoming increasingly popular, and many of them feature sustainable materials in their design. For instance, the Tesla Model 3 has a body made from aluminum, which is a highly recyclable material. The Toyota Prius, on the other hand, uses a combination of recycled and bioplastics in its interior components. Some other examples include the BMW i3, which has a body made from carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, and an interior made from recycled materials. The Nissan Leaf, which features a battery made from recycled materials and an interior made from sustainable fabrics. The Hyundai Ioniq, which has a body made from aluminum and an interior made from recycled plastics. What makes these cars so sustainable, and how do they contribute to a cleaner environment? In Part 2, we'll explore the benefits these innovations bring and some exciting examples of cars made from recycled materials. Stay tuned for Part 2, you won't want to miss it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.